Most mesquite and weesats are not very palatable to most livestock species, and they tend to develop really thick, dense canopies because they're very aggressive in their growth patterns. And what's really been unique about Invora is that it's got residual that works.
When I started looking at our brush situation and the density that we were dealing with in some of our pastures, I wanted to look at one pasture, and I wanted to see if we could take that pasture back to a grassland. And so was fortunate we got the opportunity to use this new product, Invora.
The delineation between the treated and the non-treated was just as plain as day. There was no plants in the treated area.
When you go back and you look at these competitive products and say, okay, well, I can do it for, $30 an acre or $35 an acre or whatever mix you decide to go with. If you have to go back and do that in year 2 and year 3, quickly you're at $70 or $105 to get to the same level of control that you can with one application of Invora. So as you look at it over the course of years, and like we talked about, Invora lasting 6, 8, 10 years, you're looking at breaking that down to maybe $5 or $6 an acre per year, which is in line with what just the guys are spending for weed application. Is going to meet the expectations that ranchers have for the level of brush control that they've been seeking.
Invora is for use on privately owned non-hayed rangeland and non-hayed perennial grassland in Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas. Invora provides pre- and post-control through both root and shoot uptake. It's effective, it's proven, and it gives you the power to restore your rangeland.